Hey boys and girls, puberty, not through it yet. Talking to camera. It is race day in Taiwan, and this is a 4-hour. They got holes for the cameras. It's nice. This is a 4-hour endurance race. They started at 10 o'clock in the morning. It is 12 o'clock now, and it is about what's 35°C in Fahrenheit?
It's pushing 100.
Yeah.
It's like 90.
So it's high 90s.
It feels like it was 48 yesterday.
Shut up.
40.
That's
I switched
insane.
over to Fahrenheit to show my brother and my dad. It's 118.
Oh my! And today's as hot as yesterday. So yeah, this isn't. There you go. The real feel here is about 108, 115 degrees Fahrenheit. And they're wearing full leathers and riding around the racetrack for 4 hours straight. They switch off. I think you're allowed 3 different riders or something, or maybe 4. But even with 4,
That I don't know.
even with 4, it's like that'd be an hour solid. That's nuts.
I probably don't do an hour straight. They probably do more stints.
Yeah, 20, like every 30 minutes, 20, 30 minutes. Yeah, I couldn't do it an hour.
We did the go-kart one. That was an hour.
True.
Watch it. Keep filming. He's gotta go under the umbrella. I just wanted the shade.
I know, you gotta keep a whole interview. You were telling about how you met Robbie on Grindr? Something like that?
Yeah. Walk by. I think. Maybe not. The same colors when I walk by.
Yeah. I think it's the same girl. Bye-bye.
I saw it. That's funny. I was gonna wave at it. There's a drone, and I came in and he's got it. I was like,
Oh, cool. Thank you.
thanks for coming down, Morton. Appreciate it. You just get here or what?
Oh, we've been here.
We came together.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
we met up in Zhongli and rode out here.
We made out?
You came. Was I out racing or?
Yeah.
Oh, it's daily.
Oh,
We make out.
you're on the red and black, right?
Right there. Yeah.
Oh, there. What is that?
That's why I am. What is that?
It's a kind of a Frankenstein. The engine's SR 150, Yamaha SR 150 now it's a 223. The frame is from
From the mine?
No, the frame is from the Suzuki BS 125 2-stroke. You see all the old guys carrying the propane tanks with. It's a beautiful frame. That's why I wanted to use it. The front end, suspension, and brakes. Well, the brakes are kind of aftermarket, but it's from a Yamaha FZR. The wheel and the rear wheels from a Honda race car, the 125cc's, the old Moto 3, whatever the 250.
That's amazing, yeah.
Yeah, it's a total Frankenstein. We built it. It took about a year to kind of build. My team kind of did it for me. It was my idea, and I did as much as I could.
But you threw it all together and then it works on a racetrack, so that's impressive.
It's so great. It's so solid.
所有工作人员的辛苦都会做是绝有，当然最高兴的应该是
下了这个旅程之后就不会了，真的，所以每次都出太阳。所以如果说你想要和我们一起跑更
I just left the racetrack. That's my racetrack video. It was fun. I got to use the drone. Drone comes in handy, especially when there's like a crowd of guys taking pictures of some chicks, and you can just like fly right over their heads. It was funny. I was flying at such low levels through crowds. I flew out on, I didn't ask permission from anyone. I flew out onto like an actual race. There's no way that shit would fly in any other country, well, in most other countries. But yeah, here they're just like, oh, some guy's got a drone. Oh, he's flying over the track. That's cool. One of the racers said he saw my drone and he wanted to wave to it, but he didn't want to take his hands off at that moment. Yeah. Yeah, it was a good time. Beers, sausages, girls, socializing, all the stuff I normally stay away from.